They know I'm a big boss, got a big boss in this bitch. They know I'm a big talker, have my big body and they they calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb.
Hey, nice shoes.
What does it say?
$500. Almost 10 grand.
Wow.
In the middle of the field, throw me a bomb, throwing it be like quarterback. Stay in the field, holding brown, throwing it.
Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, shit. Ozzy had to bounce.
Hey, look at it.
She know what she wanted and she know what she wanted and how to go get it without being caught. Kiss that, kiss that, kiss that.
Don't forget that.
Kiss that, kiss that, kiss that.
Bitch, I'm stylish. Glock talk, big t-shirt, Billy. Watch on my wrist, but I want that dime. Niggas talk crazy when I pull up in sight. How high? Bring
no need to ask, he's a
Loan right there. You see that?
I'm gonna take
Behind
out a
you.
loan and you're
Behind.
gonna pay it.
give me a run for money. There is nobody, no one there around me. So give me a run for my money. Love me for the love.
On 23V Sports, if you are not subscribed to the channel, you need to swipe up on the link.
Hit that bubba.
You should know you can go where you wanna go. I can take you there.
Why fit in when you were born to stand out?
Yeah, that's all.